So in the comments below, right now, comment what you think, or where you think Roczen is going to end up. Obviously, in the last few weeks, he's raced a genuine Honda in the World Supercross. He's ridden a Club MX Yamaha. He's ridden a Stark electric bike, and he's also ridden a ATP Suzuki. The only things he hasn't touched are a KTM and a gas, which, who knows, maybe before the season starts, he'll actually end up riding one. Obviously, I think too, ATP or Suzuki, whatever you want to call it, use this as, they knew perfectly well that this is going to get a lot of attention in the quote-unquote industry or fan zone, whatever you want to call it, fandom. Obviously because ATP is not a progressive sponsored team, and at least as far as I know, and every picture you see of the bike has a big old progressive right across the front fairings. So I think they use this as a very good marketing scheme for them. Who knows, maybe ATP is getting progressive sponsorship this year. I don't know that, because I'm not an insider like that, but whatever. Again, in the comments, you tell me. Personally, I have no idea. I'd love to see him on a Yamaha, just because, why not? But you have to say, his Red Bull sponsorship, again, is a problem. Also, his gear sponsorship is a problem for going to pretty much any of the big teams. Oh, yeah. And as I forget, he's also been linked to Kawasaki. He did race a two-stroke Kawasaki at the Red Bull Straight Rhythm, so, like, he's covered most of the bikes. Again, only gas, and, well, sorry, the KTM family he hasn't done. KTM, Husqvarna, or gas. He hasn't done any of those, but again, who knows, maybe next week we'll see him riding on one of those bikes. Why not? He might be trying everything out while he's a free agent, but again, Husqvarna, you have Rockstar, and that's the problem with his Red Bull thing. Red Bull gas, Red Bull KTM, you have problems with his long-standing sponsorship, so it either changes, he's going to a team that doesn't have an energy drink sponsor, or he's going to change his sponsorship, which I highly doubt, seeing him leaving Red Bull since he's been there for so long. Through multiple teams, through championships, bikes, whatever, he's been a Red Bull athlete. I highly doubt seeing him do that just to ride for a different team. But yes, genuine Honda, the ATP Suzuki he's ridden, the Stark, which, the Stark is just whatever. They're never going to be race bikes. We had that before with Alta or whatever it was. It never really pans out. But in the comments below, again, you tell me where you think he's going to go, what team, is he going to change sponsorship, whatever you want to say. Let's just have a little conversation. And while you're down there, while you scroll by, make sure to subscribe, like, hit the little bell to know when I'm posting more, because it really helps the channel and I appreciate it a lot. We're on the way to 1,000. I'd like to get there before the end of the year, but I know that's a pipe dream. But again, with that, comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.